What's happening, people? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be tinting the rear lights with tinting film. I want to see how hard it is to do. This isn't really a tutorial. It is a little bit of a tutorial, but I want to see how hard it is. Obviously I've watched videos on YouTube myself how to do it, and I want to see, I'm a beginner, I've never done it before, and I want to see how hard it is for someone like me or normal people that haven't done it before, and see how hard it is. I bought all the stuff, so I'm going to go in and show you everything that I've bought, what we need to do this, and then yeah, so we'll just go and have a look at everything we've got and start the video. Right, so I'm going to talk you through everything that we're going to be using for this video. I think we'll start, first of all, we'll start with this little kit. Bought on Amazon for $4.99, which is a good price. Had the thing to cut strips off the film and the wrap and whatnot. This is to tuck it in around the edges and get in there. Squeegee, I got this one with the wrap, but I bought this kit anyway because I needed everything else with it. Comes with a scalpel as well, so you can cut off the wrap around the edges. This, I'm not too sure what this is for. Assuming it's for tucking in stuff as well as the other thing, so might come in handy. Then heat gun, obviously we're going to need that to heat up the wrap and bend it round corners and bend it in gaps and whatnot. The tint film, I got 48 inches for $7.99 from Amazon, which I thought was a good deal, and hopefully I can get more than one set of lights out of it. We'll see. Some microfiber cloths, obviously, to clean it up. Some window cleaner. Like I said, I don't know if there's better things I could be or should be using, but window cleaner looks like it's going to do the job for now. And masking tape just to mask around the light so we don't get the tinting film stuck to the car paint or whatever and that. So yeah, I think that's everything we're going to be using, so let's get started. Now, first of all, obviously we're going to have to clean off the lights. The car's filthy all around. I should clean the whole car, but I just want to get this video done. Right, after it's all been cleaned, we just want to mask up around the light. I don't know if I'm in the way here, but right, when that's all done, we want to measure out how much we're going to need of this, the tint film, and then cut a strip off. So I'm thinking, I don't know if you can see on the camera, I'm going to cut from about there. And this also comes with a protective layer of film, which I'm going to take off. I don't know if you should or shouldn't, but I think when you're heating it up and stretching it, it might affect it. So I'm just going to peel that off as well. Alright, plan B. I messed up that bit, and there's only enough to do, was only enough really to do 2 lights. So we're gonna have a go at just tinting the indicators. How hard can that be? If I can't do these, then this won't be a video. So hopefully I can do it and get a video out. Because we're only doing the indicators, we only need a thin strip, so I'm gonna have to half this, like this way. Just enough. Oh god. Yeah, it's a lot harder than it looks. I thought it was going to be easy. That's why I pay Animais the big bucks. Oh. And plus I'm doing it in the wind, so it's not really my fault. It's windy and, you know what I mean, I've got loads of things to blame. It's not my fault. Take two. I'm gonna put it over the indicators and then just trim around them. Now, I'm just going to cut around it with a scalpel and try and get it on the right line. So this is going to be tricky. Right, so that side's all finished and trimmed up. If you look close, I've probably messed up a little bit on the edges. You can't really see it on the camera, but I messed up a little bit. But if I stand back, you see what the difference looks like. It's a shame I couldn't have done the whole light, but it's a lot harder than I thought. They make it look easy on the tutorials, and it's not that easy. So yeah, I'm just going to repeat again on the same side quickly, and then see how I get on. Do a quick clean. This one should be quick because, like I know I'm only doing the indicator now. Fuming though, I thought I could do it. I can do it. If I have another go, I probably can do it, but it's just annoying. And I think as well that wrap that I've got is a bit cheap. You know, like I think there's better ones you can get with like air bubbles that come out of them, and or like what they call it, like they've got like, yeah, a way of doing it. It's just got some like air can get out or escape or something like that. Yeah. I'm just going to pop a few of the air bubbles because, as we've realised, I'm not an expert at doing this. I think I really need to pop that one. Sorry if I'm not talking much because it's a lot harder than I thought it would be. And yeah, the hardest bit about then the indicators and obviously the reverse light is just the trying to get the trimming in the right way. Other than that, this is proper easy. I forgot, I should have masked it up as well, innit? Never mind. Alright, sorry if I weren't talking much in that video, but yeah, it's a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. But yeah, I think with some practice that can be done. And I think maybe getting a better wrapping film or something like that. But yeah, let me know what you think, if that's made any difference. Yeah, looks alright. Don't even look too bad that close up, to be fair. It's a bit tricky trimming it down and that, but that was easy. I'm a bit disappointed in myself for not being able to do the actual full tint, but yeah. Well, I'm gonna end the video there. Let me know what you guys think of how it looks in the comments.